Now this question is given in GATE 2016. I'll read it out for you. Let x be the number of distinct 16-bit integers in 2's complement representation. Let y be the number of distinct 16-bit integers represented in sign magnitude representation. Then x minus y is, right? So there is a fill in the blank question here. Answer is 1. I'll explain you how. Now if you see this, using 16 bits they are trying to represent the numbers, one in 2's complement representation and the other one in sign magnitude representation. Now using 16 bits, whatever the representation you use, you are always going to get 2 power 16 different sequences or 2 power 16 different numbers. Now in 2's complement number system, you are going to assign every combination to a different number or different integer. Therefore, the number of different integers that can be represented is going to be 2 power 16. Now coming to sign magnitude representation, even though you are going to get 2 power 16 different combinations using 16 bits, you are going to waste 2 combinations to represent the same number, that is 0. Now in sign magnitude, in order to represent 0, you are going to waste 2 combinations. One combination is 1 followed by 15 zeros, which is actually minus 0, which is still representing 0 only, and 0 followed by 15 zeros, which is plus 0, which is again representing 0, right? Therefore, since 2 combinations are eaten up to represent the same number, which is 0, we will be able to represent only 2 power 16 minus 1 distinct integers, right? Now if you see the difference, the number of integers represented in 2's complement is greater than the number of integers represented in sign magnitude by exactly 1. That is why answer is 1. Okay. Now if you didn't understand this method, whatever I discussed, maybe you can go with the range of numbers, right? Now using 16 bits, what is the range of numbers that can be represented in 2's complement? In 2's complement, we know that minus 2 power 15 to 2 power 15 minus 1 is the total range of numbers we can represent using 16 bits, right? Now this is in 2's complement. Now in sign magnitude, minus 2 power 15 minus 1 to 2 power 15 minus 1. So this is the range we use in sign magnitude, right? Therefore, if you see the difference, we are able to represent one number more here, isn't it? But here you are going to represent only till minus 2 power 15 minus 1, right? So why is this so? So why are we not able to represent this particular number is one of the combinations is going to be used up by 0, minus 0. But here you have only one combination used up by 0. So that is why if you see this, exactly one number is going to be greater, right, in 2's complement. So it is, answer is 1. Okay.
Hi, if you are planning to do masters, then doing masters abroad is better than doing masters in India. I'll give you all the reasons. So first reason is, out of 1 lakh students who take GATE every year, there are only 500 seats in old IITs. So all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%, and IITs, universities better than IITs, they have very good acceptance rate like 30%, 40%, but all the IITs put together have an acceptance rate of 0.5%. And if you are working hard to get into IIT Bombay's ranking is 177 and IIT Roorkee's ranking is 400. If you are happy to get into IIT Roorkee, then getting into universities better than IIT Roorkee is easier compared to getting into IIT Roorkee. And looking at the salaries for computer science, for software jobs, if you have done your masters in computer science in US, the salaries are ranging from 80 lakhs per year to 1.2 crore per year. So even if you take an average of 1 crore per year, your savings will be much higher than the salaries in India. After taxes and your cost of living, you can easily save 40 to 50 lakhs per year. And in India, the maximum jobs that you get is around 30 lakhs. So your savings will be much greater than the salaries in India. And these are all the services that we provide. University shortlisting. So depending on your profile, we will shortlist what are the universities that you have to apply, and statement of purpose building, and then LOR guidance, and GRE and English test assistance, and education loan assistance. So you don't have to have any collateral, which means without any security, now you can get education loan. Getting education loan is very simple these days, and whatever the amount of fee that you have a range of universities. You can apply for 10 lakh universities, 20 lakh universities, or 50 lakh universities. But whatever it is, you are going to get complete education loan, and you can pay off your education loan in 1 year after you get a job. And then we do visa assistance, mock visa interviews, and then connecting with the university alumni. So now you might ask why we should join Game of Visas. So the answer is we have 90% success rate, 99% success rate. And these are all the destinations that we guide the students to. So we guide students to any country that you want to go. So now it is not just USA. We guide to UK, Germany, Australia, Canada. So we guide students to all the countries. We work with all the destinations. And if you are interested in going abroad, you have to just drop us a message on this WhatsApp number 9494 555 454. Okay, thank you.